Hello children, this video is for your social science term end assessment 1. Right, so here I am going to explain you the paper, how you can answer your papers. Right, so the social science paper, firstly, as you know, you have to mention the name, roll number, your class section, that is A, B, C or D, and the date. Right, so the social science paper is total of 80 marks. PA1, it was of how many marks? Less marks, right? So PA1 was of less marks, but your term 1 paper is of 80 marks. So your social science paper is divided into various sections. In the first section, see, there are short answers. That means you have to answer this question in one line. And there are 12 questions in this section having 1 marks each. हर question के answers के लिए आपको 1 marks मिलेगा right answer के लिए, right? And 12 questions है आपके short questions के section में. Fine? See, 12 questions, right? So each question you have to answer in one line. Now section 2, that is, you have to answer in 2 or 3 lines. See, it is also written over here, answer the following in 2 or 3 lines, right? So this section is having 2 marks each for every question. So in this section we have 6 questions total. So this section total is of 12 marks because 2 into 6 is 12, right? 2 marks for each right answer. Now next section is your objectives. Here we have 10 fill in the blanks. Objectives mein we have fill in the blanks. These are 10 fill in the blanks. Total marks is 5 for this section, right? So you have to fill in the blanks. Next is true false. Here you have to read the questions, read the sentences, and then you have to answer the question whether it is true or false. This section is also of 5 marks. So for example, let me tell you, fish should fight with each other in the family. Whether it is true or is it false? You have to write it over here. Fine? Okay, so this also contains 10 questions in this, true or false, right? So 0.5 marks, that is half marks for each correct answer. Got it? Next, in the objective section, what we have in this section is matching. Match the following. So it is divided into 2 parts, right? So one side question and the other side is the options. But you do not have to draw lines. आपको यहाँ पे lines draw करके matching नहीं करनी है. यहाँ पे numbers है ना नीचे 1, 2, 3, 4. So suppose 1 का जो आंसर है ABCD में से जो भी उसका राइट आंसर होगा वो आपको यहाँ लिखना है. 1 किसके साथ मैच करता है, right? So you have to write here in the options over here. Got it? So this section is also having 5 marks, half marks for each right answer. Next is your activity based question. Here what you have to do is you have to identify, that is the pictures over here, identification of the pictures over here. You have to identify who is this, write it over here. Who is the second person, write it over here. Who is the third person, write it over here, right? So you have to write the occupation of the people over here, right? So who is this, who is this, who is this? Fine. So this is the first part. So this section contains how many marks? 5 marks. Identifying the picture and writing their name is having 5 marks. But the whole section of activity question is of 15 marks, right? So next is your puzzle solving. You have to solve the puzzle. See, as we have already done in our worksheet also, the puzzles we have done in worksheet, right? So down is ऊपर से नीचे. Number 1, read the question, work done to earn money. Then you have to write the answer ऊपर से नीचे. Then number 2, exchanging messages, news or ideas with one another. Again down. So number 2, ऊपर से नीचे. Now across is left to right. Isn't it? Left से right. So question number 3, trains that carries goods. Left to right. You have to write the answer. Number 4, room used to cook food. Left to right. You have to write the answer. Number 5, bucket used to throw waste. Left to right. You have to write the answer. Fine. This is also having 5 marks. 1 marks for each right answer. Next is arrange the jumbled words. Here what you have to do is, as we have done in the worksheet also, that is your revision sheet also, here are the name of the games. You have to write outdoor games below the outdoor games and write indoor games below indoor games, right? So this is also having 5 marks. Next we have current affairs section. Current affairs is basically general knowledge that is happening in our day-to-day life. Affairs that are happening in our day-to-day life. Your general knowledge questions, right? So this is having 10 questions and it contains 10 marks. 1 marks for each answer, right? So you have to read the answer and tick the correct option. Next is your aptitude section. Aptitude section is having 2 marks for each question. So first one is circle the odd one out. There are 4 questions over here. In each question there is something odd. You have to circle the odd one out. Second is making pairs. You have to make the pairs. This is also having 2 marks and you have to write the answer below. मैचिंग नहीं करना है आपको, लाइंस ड्रॉ करके मैचिंग नहीं करना है. यहाँ ऑप्शंस है ना 1 2 3 4, आपको यहाँ पर लिखने हैं, राइट? नाउ नेक्स्ट, अरेंज द फॉलोइंग इन गिवन ऑर्डर. सी हियर इट्स डेज ऑफ द वीक, राइट? सो यू हैव टू अरेंज इट. yesterday, today and tomorrow. यहाँ Monday, Tuesday and till Sunday दिया है ना. So what comes before Wednesday, that is what was yesterday, and what comes after Wednesday, it is tomorrow. Tomorrow is after and yesterday is before. Fine. Now next is which activities you do in the morning. This one is having 1 marks. सुबह उठकर आप कौन से एक्टिविटीज मॉर्निंग में करते हो, राइट? सो यू हैव टू आंसर इट लुकिंग एट द पिक्चर. एंड दिस इज योर लास्ट. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज अंडरलाइन 2 words which are made from same letters. यू रिमेंबर हमने ये एप्टीट्यूड में किया था ना, सेम लेटर्स आएंगे उनमें. अगर मान लो किसी भी एक वर्ड में PAT पैट है तो वही सेम लेटर्स PAT पैट के उसको जंबल कर देंगे हम, तो क्या बन जाएगा वो TAP टैप, isn't it? So you have to count the alphabets and do it. कौन से अल्फ़ाबेट सेम है, आपको सारे लेटर्स मिलाने पड़ेंगे. जिन भी 2 वर्ड्स में सेम लेटर्स होंगे वही वो राइट आंसर होगा, राइट? चलो, ऑल द बेस्ट.